Hello everyone, I'm Jerome Mosquito from BSIT Automotive 2B. Planting trees is an essential and transformative action for both the environment and society. Trees are often called the lungs of the earth due to their ability to absorb carbon dioxide, procedure oxygen, and improve air quality by capturing carbon. Trees help mitigate the impact of climate change, making them key players in reducing greenhouse gas concentration in the atmosphere beyond carbon sequestration. Trees provide numerous environmental benefits. They help prevent soil erosion by stabilizing the ground with their roots, reducing the risk of landslide to protecting waterway from sedimentation. Trees also play a vital role in maintaining the water cycle, helping with rainwater absorption and preventing flooding by absorbing excess water during heavy rains. Choose the right tree. Pick a species suited to your climate and space. Select a good location, ensure enough sunlight, space, and proper soil drainage. Dig a hole, make a twice widely and root ball but not deeper. Prepare the trees, remove the container, and loosen the roots.